spend so much time here because this is actually very simple. Okay? But of course, we are going to do it together. And then we go to another segment. Those of you that are HC Learning Academy registered students, pay attention. And those of you that are new, pay attention. Pay extra attention to what we are going to be learning right now. We have been given a question what they are saying. We let you be this particular set that we have there. Okay? That is the set that we have been given. And then they are saying, given that A is this set, B is this set, C is this set, we list A union C. So I'm going to say solution. Okay, solution. What does A union C simply mean under set operations? You have A union C. The word union under set theorem simply means unity. So you are uniting set A with set C. So A union C is going to be a set where we are going to combine whatever is in A and C. So this is going to be 0, okay, which is here. And then we also have a 1 there, comma, we have a 2, comma, we have a 3, comma, we have a 4, comma, a 5, comma, then a 6, comma, a 7, and then we have 10, which is here in set A, and then we are going to have a 12. Okay? Basically, this then becomes the set A union C. Okay? This becomes set A union C. The second part is saying B intersection C. B intersection C. Intersection simply means whatever is common in set B and whatever is common in what? Set C. In other words, check the elements that are found in set B, check the elements that are found in set C. Whatever is common, get it. That becomes your intersection set. Okay? That becomes your intersection set. So, B intersection C. Let's check what is common. I'm going in my set B. I have a 0 in B. I don't have a 0 there. I have a 3 in B. I have a 3 in C also. I have 6 in B. I have 6 in C. I have 12 in B. I don't have 12 in C. I have 15 in B. I don't have that. So in other words, there are only two things that are found in both B and C. And that is a 3 and a 6. And basically that becomes my set. Okay? Quite very simple to operate. Quite very simple to operate. We now shift to 3. 3, they're saying A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. How do you go about operating this particular type of a set? Well, this one is actually very simple. BODMAS, the first thing that you need to do, work out whatever is in the brackets. So let's work out what is in the brackets. So we are going to work out B union C. Please pay extra attention. Pay extra attention. I want you to pay extra attention to what I'm solving. Then I want you to differentiate with what we shall be doing next. B union C. So we are uniting B and C. Let's try to unite B and C. So B we have 0. Okay. B we have 0, comma. C we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 12 and 15, right? This is B union C. Then now they are saying this same set, we intersect it with set A. We intersect it with set A. So let's see what is common. 2 is common, 2 is common. 4 is common, 4 is common. 6 is common, 6 is common, 12 is common, and 12 is common. You discover that you're going to get a set of even numbers. So A intersection, the open bracket of sum B, the union of sum C, is going to give you this particular set, a 2, comma, a 4, comma, a 6, comma, then a 12. And basically this becomes your set. Okay? Thumbs up if you understand that particular part. Thumbs up, I know you are able to understand. I know it's very easy to understand. Okay? Okay? I know it's very easy to understand. No questions as at now. For now, no questions first. We just began the class, so I know you've got it, you will know. Plus one more. No. Okay? Is it clear? Thumbs up if you understand. Thumbs up. Very good. Thank you. Okay, yes, you can ask a question if you have a question.
What about this?
Okay, let's check properly. They're saying, what about a 0? What about a 0? So let's try to check. 0 is both in, okay, 0 also. Thank you so much for the good observation. Okay, this is very simple. I just want to solve it quickly. We move to something important. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we proceed? Okay, thank you. Let's go. We do question 4. So 4, can I just get another board? So we are doing 4. 4 is saying B union A, the intersection of C. So let's work out first of whatever is in the brackets. So this is going to be A intersection C. What set is going to be A intersection C? Let's try to check. A intersection C. So we have a 0. No 0. 2. Okay, 2 is there. 6 is there. 10, not there. 12, not there. So basically, this is our A intersection C. Okay, please. That is A intersection C. So it's 2, comma, 6. Then they say, this A intersection C, unite it with set B. So we unite it with set B. So it's going to become 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Right? Yes, Bernard. Why are people raising their hands? Are we...
Sir, I think even 4 must be included. I think you have seen
in this particular
4 to
set?
be... Yes.
Okay. I'm sure you understand these operations. Now let me just do the complement one. Okay? The complement one. I focus on complement before we go to another segment, which is very important. This I know you learned also in grade 12. Okay? Let me do compliments. Compliments, I think. Compliments can be something that can be tricky to someone out there. These others, you know how to operate. They are very simple. I think everyone got them correct. Let me just do the compliments. Now, complement simply means outside of. Complement means outside of. What do I mean? So let me take my time to explain this. If they say A union B complement, what they're simply telling you is, first of all, we can work out this. What is B complement? B complement means get the set of B. Remove everything that is in set B. So we remove 0. So we remove 0 also from the universal. We remove 3 from the universal. 6, remove 6 from the universal. 12, remove 12 from the universal. 15, remove 15 from the universal. Whatever remains is your B complement. It means outside of. Hello. So, this is what complement simply means, right? Thumbs up if you understand. That is what complement simply means. All right. That's the meaning of complement. Thumbs up. More energy, more energy, more energy, more energy. Are we good to go? Okay. So now we proceed. Now this same set, now you unite it with the A, set A. So let's check what is in set A. So A union B complement is going to be a set. So we have 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. Guys, is this hard? It's simple. It's simple, right? This is quite very simple. Okay? Can we proceed? Okay, let me do the last one so that I operate the last one. The last one is saying A intersection C complement. Work out whatever is in the brackets. Please, whenever you are doing sets, work out whatever is in the brackets first before any other thing. So, what do I mean? We are going to find A intersection C. So, walabula A intersection C first. What is A intersection C? What type of set is this? So let's check whatever is in A and C. Did we find A intersection C anywhere? No, we didn't. I think we did here. Now we have rubbed. Okay, can someone tell me, point out what A intersection C is?
2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6.
4, 6.
This is A intersection C. Then they say complement. What did I say complement is? All together, everyone?
Outside of. Out of the set.
Ah, very good. Complement means outside of. So go to the universal, remove 2. We have removed. Remove 4. We have removed. Remove 6. We have removed. Whatever remains then becomes your set. Ah. Guys, thumbs up if you understand. Okay? So use these concepts often. More often. Use the concepts more often. I want you to be using these concepts more often. Now, let me take you somewhere. we are going to do something that we call interval notation. We have looked at sets. Just a minute, let me just get my ruler and draw my mute your microphone in the background. Lina, mute your microphone. In my class.
I wrote it. Be serious.
Okay, so interval notation. Please, I want you to pay extra attention. Don't miss the conference. Don't miss the academic conference. Don't miss. Don't miss. Don't miss. You want to pass your test one? Don't miss. So, remember, the sets that we are from looking at, we are having something like set A is equal to, then you would have you open the bracket, you have 1, 2, 3. This is what we call the roster or the listing method. In other words, you are telling me you have 3 elements in this particular set. But there is a difference between this particular set and this particular set. This particular set is telling you that you only have 1, 2, 3 elements. But this particular set is simply telling you that there are numbers in between, but we can't see them. So we are going to have numbers like 1.19, 1.1, sorry, 1.200, 1.2009, 1.2. So we can't count them. So we are going to be using interval notation to simply be able to operate certain problems under sets. So whenever you see something like this, please don't move too fast to tell me to say there are 2 elements. There are not 2 elements here. The elements that are here can even be more than 1,000. Thumbs up if you get that concept I've put there. Okay? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now, whenever you're doing interval notation, there are 2 things that I want you to know. 2 brackets. The first bracket is this particular bracket. Whenever you see a bracket of this type, this bracket simply means the inclusive bracket. Inclusive. Then when you see this particular type of a bracket, it simply means exclusive. What do I mean? If I put this type of bracket I put at first at A, I'm telling you that a number is part of this set. If I put a bracket which is at B, I'm telling you that this number is not part of this set. Now, the inclusive bracket is going to be represented by a shaded circle. The exclusive bracket is going to be represented by an open circle. From today, you'll be able to solve these questions. But during the conference, we are going to solve more questions, even test papers and exam. Sorry, test papers, test ones, so that we see how best we can do. So, don't miss. No one misses the conference. Now, let me explain something very important. What is a very good example I can give? A very good example is this. If you are going to have set A, and set A contains 2, 3, this simply means that 2 and 3 are part of set A. How do you present this on the real line? To present this on the real line, you are going to draw a line, then you put your 2, you also put your 3. Now, to be able to present set A on the real line, I said these brackets, the inclusive brackets, what do you put? Shaded circle. Now, since 3 is also part of this set, you put a shaded circle. Then you connect. This becomes your set A. You have showed that you have represented set A on the real line. Thumbs up if you understand. Thumbs up. You have represented set A on the real line. Please follow me. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose anyone. Okay? Wafikumanya. Okay? I don't want to lose anyone. Okay? We proceed. How about if you have, let's say, you have set B. Set B is a set 2, 4. How do you present this on the real line? You draw your line. You're going to put your 2 here. You put your 4 here. Now, because this 2 has an exclusive bracket, you put an open circle. Then because 4 has an inclusive bracket, you put a closed circle. Then you connect. This becomes your set B. Thumbs up if you understand that part. Okay, now you know how to use the inclusive and the exclusive brackets. Okay? Now you know how to use the inclusive and the exclusive brackets. Okay. Let me check. Albert Mutare can ask a question.
Actually, the network was pretty bad, so I couldn't detect what was on the screen. So I don't know if you mind, can you kindly repeat that?
Okay, so what you do is, if you can't see the screen, you log out, you log in.
Okay.
No. We'll take questions at the end. Let me teach. We have a lot more to. Let me teach. Okay. We now go to the next segment. In our next segment, I'm going to show you how to be able to operate some of these particular sets. Example. They say, given that you've been given set A, and set A is this particular set, then they say set B is this particular set, find A intersection B. So how do you find A intersection B? Use the real line, plot, list the numbers. So you're going to start with a 2, 3, a 6. List your set A. Your set A is going to be here. So you close the circle. You also close the circle here. Then this becomes your set A. Your set B is starting from 3 going to 6. So you close this, you shade here, which is the same circle. You also shade here. This becomes your set B. Now, where are the two intersecting? They are not intersecting anywhere. So, A intersection B is going to give you the empty set for this one. Let's try out the second one.
I think it is intersecting at the 3.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. At some point 3. Now, let me demonstrate. Thank you so much. Let me demonstrate something. You have A. You have A is starting from, let's say, I put a 1, right? And then I put, let's say, 8. And not included. Then I say set B is going to be, here's just examples, then going to 6. Find A intersection B. So you are going to plot the real line. Then you draw your numbers. So we're going to have 1, 2, 6, 8. You follow the order, increasing order. Let's plot set A. Cross circle at 1, open circle at 8. You conjoin. This becomes your set A. You go to set B. Open circle at 2, sorry, cross circle at 2. Mute your microphone, please. You're giving me an echo. Godfrieda.
Me, on the screen here, it's just showing C. I can't see what you are teaching there.
You move out of the class. Those were the instructions. Then you log in. If you can't see the screen, you log out, then you log in. You'll be able to see it. It's just your network troubling you. Okay? But you'll be able to see it. Now, there are many people that are following. So let's just, you mute out yourself, you join. I think this is let me see, how many people are in class? It's like this is like 86 people in class right now. Okay. Mute your microphones. So let's do B. B is starting from some point 2 to 6. You close the circle. Then they say intersection. The intersection is this part. This is where these guys are intersecting. So the intersection is going to be 2, 6. Thumbs up if you understand that. Thumbs up, that is very simple. Now, imagine you are not in class. I'm trying my level best to simplify this so that you understand the concepts. Okay. How many people are watching 2? How many are watching more than 2? If you're watching more than 2, you have a friend you're watching with, react. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, you are many. Means we're more than 100. Okay. So Google Meet, I think it allows 100. So that's the reason why we're not surpassing that. Okay, let's proceed to something else. How about if let's say you have set A is equal to negative infinity to 2 included. B is a set from 4 to 8. Then they say find A union B. How do you operate this on a set? On the real line. Draw your real line. Then plot negative infinity. The next small number is a 2, followed by a 4, then 8. Always put an open circle at whether positive infinity or negative infinity, put an open circle. So I'm going to open the circle here. Then I'll close the circle here at 2 because the brackets are inclusive. This becomes my set A. Then they are saying we open the circle at B. So we close the circle at B. We shed. At 8 we also shed. This becomes a set B. Now how do we find the union? Union means unity. So I'll get this last part and connect it. Then I'll get this last part and connect it to here. This is the unity. This area is my A union B. So I'm getting this point up to this point. So A union B then becomes negative infinity all the way to 8 included. This becomes my set. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up if you understand. Basics. Okay? This class is full. Hi. Okay, let's do another one. The complement. Now, complement let's say you have set A is equal to 1,8. Set B is equal to 2,6. Then they say find A complement. The other one they say B complement. How do you show this on the real line? Very simple. Okay. So, what are we going to put at 1? Okay, let's first of all draw what we have. What type of a circle are we going to put at 1? I just want someone who is normal, who won't disappoint us. What are we going to put at 1? An open circle or a closed circle?
Open circle.
Open circle. Okay? You are very normal. And you are very correct actually. Okay? So, we are going to put an open circle at 1. And also, now, I'm trying to understand. How are people able to catch up within a short period of time, Ane? Okay, good. Let's go. Let's plot at 8. We also put no. Okay, it's good. It's okay. It's okay. I think I have one which I will use as an example. For 8, we put an open circle. Okay. So I want to operate this one because it's an example. So B is going to make sense. You will see what I mean. What type of a circle are we going to put at 2?
Closed
A
circle.
closed one.
Okay. At 6, closed one also. Then they are saying B complement. Now, please listen to what I'm going to say right now. Listen to what I'm going to say right now. Complement under interval notation. Complement under interval notation is the opposite of whatever circle is there. If you have a closed circle at 2, you should open the circle. If you have an open circle at 3, close the circle. That becomes your complement. What do I mean? So B complement, you're going to open the circle here and take it this side. This becomes your B complement. B complement also on the other end, open the circle, take it on the other end. This becomes your B complement. Then you are going to take this value. So 1 was not part of the set, so it's going to be an open circle. 2 is not part because this is an open circle here. Have you seen? Open circle. So 2 won't also be part because 2 was part of set B. So it won't be part of the complement. There's an open circle here. So you open, there's an open circle at 2. So you put these brackets. Then you say union. There's an open circle at B complement. So this is going to be this bracket. Then this side, 8 was not part of this set. So you also open. You put those brackets. So B complement is going to equal to 1, 2. No, close. Guys, your microphone. Switch off your microphone. Fortune. So this is going to be 6, 8. This becomes your B complement. By the time they will fear you. They won't even be sending you no. You've met them, right? Clear, thumbs up if you understand B complement. Is it clear, B complement?
You're not clear. I'm not clear personally.
What is your name?
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Sam.
Even me, sir, I'm not scared because me here there is network problem. I'm just saying see here on the screen. I can't see. Try to log in, log out.
Sir, even me, I'm not clear.
Even me, I'm not clear. Even me, I'm not clear.
Mute yourselves, I'll repeat.
Same here.
No, Geshom. Nandrat, I'll repeat, guys. Just mute yourselves. Don't worry. Mute your. No, stop talking in class, guys. Stop making noise. You are disturbing my class. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's do something. So, let me give an example. Calast. Let's say you have set A is equal to 3,6. Set B is equal to I don't know, but I don't like noise in my class. I know this one, just make sure that your microphone is off, guys. Let's just do these things quickly because I need to rest. I've had classes back to back. So this is going to be 2, I don't know why this cheapo person, I think remove from the core is out. You make noise, I remove you from the core. You are not important in this class. You're just disturbing us. We are busy people. We have a lot of things to study and you're making noise. So this is going to be 2, 4. Now, let's say x is the universal and it is running from where? -1 to 10. You are going to plot this on the real line. Let's plot. You start from -1 to, you put the numbers in order, 3, 4, 6, then 10. Now this is the universal, right? This is x. Now let's plot A. A is some open circle at 3. Please see it for the last time. I've opened the circle at 3. And at C, I've shaded the circle. This is my set A. Then at B.
So you have shaded the circle on 3.
I shaded it at 2. Should we shade at 2?
Since you said that it's supposed to be open, but I'm wondering why you are actually shading it at 3, sir.
Okay, look at the brackets. What type of brackets are these? Exclusive brackets or inclusive?
Inclusive.
Ingwe batwaske? The one who I'm talking to, are they inclusive brackets or exclusive brackets?
Exclusive brackets.
Sir, they are exclusive brackets.
Fumamono.
Yeah, unfortunately, sir, they are inclusive. They are inclusive.
Okay.
They are being shaded.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
On the same pace. Okay, now the microphone can be mute.
Yes.
So let's proceed. So, now from here, what is going to happen is this. You shade at A. Now let's do B. So here, you also shade. At 4, you're also going to shade. Now, this becomes your B. Now, imagine the question is saying A complement. You do the opposite. Wala pari A. Let me use a different pen. You go pari A. Now, since na kesari kaka, what are we going to do? Can someone tell me? Since na pesari kaka, what do we do?
We're going to open.
Okay. Then you take this side. This then becomes your A complement. Noku. You take this side. This then becomes your A complement. So, A complement, how is it going to be? Check where -1 is. -1 in the universal, it's part of the set. So, it will be part of this set as well. Comma. Check where the complement is for A, where it started from. It's here. There is an open circle. So what type of bracket are you going to put at 3?
Open circle.
What type of bracket? You are right.
Exclusive bracket.
Exclusive bracket. So we exclusive the bracket here. Then you say union. You also start from here. How about at 6? What type of brackets are you going to put? Nimibikira kale.
Okay.
Comma 10. Now 10 was part of the universal. So you put it here. This becomes a complement. Clear now? Clear, very clear. Very clear. You can do anything now. Now, having done that, let's now do something practical. Please, at this moment, tell your friend, tell someone, we are about to do something practical. I don't know if you are in class, but let me just guess your name. Let me just guess. If your name is Grace, just read what is on the board. I'm just guessing. Chrissy. Okay, can someone just read this that is on the board?
Given that x equals to open brackets 0, 10 close brackets is the universal, a equals to open brackets 1,
No.
4 close
Justin.
bracket.
Justin.
Sir.
Justin.
I can't get what you're saying.
Justin. Read properly.
Sir.
Though that is not open bracket. That
Yes,
is
sir.
inclusive bracket.
Sure, sir. Thanks for the correction. So, given that x is equals to inclusive bracket 0, 10, inclusive bracket is the universal. A equals to inclusive bracket 1, 4, inclusive bracket, B equals to open bracket 2, 8, close bracket, and set C equals to inclusive bracket 3, 6, then close bracket. Find A, B, complement, then B, we have A intersection B, then question C says open brackets A intersection
Okay,
B complement.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the good
You're
reading.
welcome.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much for the good reading. So he's read, and I'm teaching you how to read so that when you are in your test, you'll be able to remember to say, okay, so. Now change the so. We are going to flow one by one. Don't disturb me. Let me just flow. I'm going to get my ruler. You are giving me an echo. Mute your microphone. So I'm going to get my ruler. So let me draw this. No, this is too much. It's too big. The thickness is too big. Be checking the time properly. Okay, this is just a minute. I'm supposed to. Just a minute. I just have to. Okay. All right. So let me reduce the thickness. So let me just get my bundles because they can expire unless I'm having class. I can forget. So let me buy. Please meditate what is there. Check what can happen. Check how we can put. Okay, everything is done. We start. We continue. Okay, so let's proceed. No, don't open your microphone. So now let's start. We are going to put in the same order. So you are going to put your 0 here because it is the smallest. Okay? You put your 0, then you start your 1. Which number 2? We have 2 there, which is here. Which one is small again? 3. We have 3 here. Next 4. Next, help me.
6.
6.
Then
8.
8.
Then 10. This becomes our universal X. Now we plot the next one. I'll use a different color. So, we are shading at, let me check. Where are we shading? So, we are closing the circle at A at 1. And also closing the circle at
4.
4. Very good. So, even here. Okay, so this becomes our set A. Let's go to B. I'll use a different color. So B is starting from some point 3, which is here. So at 2 to 8. What type of circle are we putting there?
Open circle.
Open.
So we're going to open the circle here. We also open the circle here. Then C. We're going to start from 3, going to 6, so
Exclusive.
we close there, we open here at 6. So this was our set B. This was our set C. Okay, thumbs up with the presentation. Thumbs up with the presentation. Are we clear with the presentation? All right. Next. Now we start operating the sets. Please pay extra attention here. Let's start. We are going to operate the first set. B complement. So let's go where there is set B. Set B, there's an open circle here, so I'm going to close it. Then I'll take it this side. B complement. Even here, close the circle. then this becomes your B complement. So B complement is going to start from 0, 0 as part of the set. It's here, it's part of this set, 0, comma. Here, there is a closed circle at B, so 2 is going to be part of this set, right? Union, I go at the far end here. 8 is part of the set, comma, then it's going all the way to 10. This becomes your B complement. Is it hard? Simple, because I'm from teaching it. Now imagine watching ndiye kufunda fe lyonsefe, ndiye kufunda fe. Ewa liye umumfu atama plus. Tuna mumfu tuli ata, mi am sharp ni kuno. They won't tell you that they come here. Most of them, they hide. I know my students very well. They want to shine when they are there. They will not tell you, it's mind my tuitions. You will just be seeing my results. I know them. I know them very well. It's now they're accepting to be. Let's do the next one. The next one is, and by the way, it looks very simple, right? After we've taught. This is an exam question. Exam. And it looks very simple to you. A fresher. Okay. Next one. A intersection B. So, A intersection B, check. Where is set A? Set A ni line ya green. Nasina tubika muri green. So, set B. Set A is ni ya yellow. Like the line which is yellow. So, you are going to draw a line and attach it to the green set. Also here, where the two lines are meeting from, you've seen that this is where they are cutting from. So this area, Akaboko Osaka, this is A intersection B. So now you check. 2 is part of the yellow line, but there is an open circle at B. Check. 2 is part of the yellow line, but we have been taught that there is an open circle pari B pamuru hapa. So meaning 2 is only part of set.
Open circle.
So 2 is only part of set A and not part of B. Meaning, when writing the intersection, we are going to open the circle at 2. Comma. Let's check. Is 4 part of set A and set B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. You find that 4 is in set A because there is a cross circle at A. At the same time, it is also inside this line. So, this becomes your intersection.
Pamone.
Uyu alipo kuwa doctor uyu wapunde vya upua. Alipo kuwa doctor na hena. Guys, let's go to C. I want you to pay extra attention here at C. Pay extra attention. There at C, they are saying A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. Now, you've seen this point where the two are meeting. there, these points, this is where the intersection was, right? Let's just imagine we take it on top. Now they are saying complement, meaning apa point hapa guys hapa. This was the intersection. This was A intersection B. Now this time around they're saying complement. So because the word change, you are going to, because here at 2 wasn't part of A intersection B, so it should be part of A intersection B complement. What one look? So this becomes your A intersection B complement. Then 4 was part of both set A and B. This time around, it won't be part. This becomes your A intersection B complement. So, how then do we write it? A intersection B complement is going to equal to, is it clear? It's very clear, yes. It's very clear on how I've written the complement. We know what it means.
Clear.
Okay. So, we are going to put 0, included, comma, then 2 is going to be included also, because we close the circle, union. 4, we open the circle here, because 4 is part of the intersection at first, so it should not be part of the complement. And then we take it all the way to 10.
Nashara ko panono basa.
Okay. That's how you write that one. No, it's the same complement things we are doing. The same way we did B. That's what we did there. Okay.
But wasa ni nshara ko panono pa compliment.
Okay, now shall I way? Now shall I?
Ineni sharafe sana because inende munafia chisi pa screen hapa. Shire mune
Oh yeah, your
phone.
screen is not available. So what you can do is, for you people that are not seeing the screen, you have the recorded session. I'll send it. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed. But you can be listening to what I'm saying. It's very important. We go to the next one. The next one is saying A intersection B. Guys, okay, let's do this. Let me remove now. I need to make this thing look neat now. I've given you the solutions. Now let me make it look neat. Make sure you attend the academic conference.
Okay, basa.
Your seniors will tell you to say, when I'm parents coming, don't miss. I don't know. There's nothing special, but you know, we are gifted in different ways. Okay. Ngatibuela, make sure you are there, so that we can push. I help you. I want to see you also become something, you know. I feel recover, guys, these days. Hi.
Asa yake kaida gudi.
Eh?
Finche alera ndoyo.
Okay, let's proceed.
Asa
Let's proceed. You guys will lengthen the class. Okay, now we proceed. Now, please pay attention here. Please pay attention, please. D, pay attention. D, that you have been taught that you have A intersection, open bracket, B minus C complement. How do you operate such a thing now on the set? What's this? So now, that's why now you have to bring in what we call set algebra. I sent you the lesson already. Set algebra. So set algebra I want you to notice that B minus C can also be written as B intersection C complement. A minus B can also be written as A intersection B complement. So this is just the same as A intersection open bracket B intersection C complement, the complement outside. Okay? Are we together?
Manje C na macomplement yawili.
Yes. Now, please pay attention here. So this is just the same as A intersection. Now, complement exposed to B, it becomes B complement. Complement exposed to the intersection, it becomes the universal. Complement exposed to C complement, it gives you the set C. Are we together? Still together?
Repeat.
Okay.
Can you repeat?
Twamfava to repeat again. Twashibona kuishiwa chava. Itsungute sana.
Yeah, it was
Guys, listen to this. A intersection, B intersection. This one we know already. Now I was saying when you expose the complement to B, it becomes B complement. When you expose the complement to the intersection, it changes, it becomes the union set. When you expose a complement to C complement, it becomes the set. In other words, what I'm telling you is the complement of a set being exposed to a complement retains the set itself. Okay? So this becomes set C. Yes. This becomes set C. Clear?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
All right. From there, this is what is going to happen. We can now work out whatever is in this set. So let's do this. Let's find B complement. Futhi walaya. First of all, let's find whatever is inside the brackets. Simple. So walaya pari B complement. So you shade here. You take this side. Sorry. Oh yeah. This becomes your big complement. Then noku. Noku. We can close it and then we take this side. This becomes your big complement. So now, then they say union C. So now, you are going to combine B complement with union C. How do you combine? Simple. I showed you already. This point, the last point, is going to connect with this. Then this point is going to conjoin to the other. Then this point last should conjoin with this one. Then you are going to have this area inside. Chonsech, that is B complement union C, or this area. So B complement union C is going to start from this point, and then another point of conjoinment. Where is it? It's here. So 2 is also going to be part of the set. Okay, have you seen? Then another point of conjoinment is going to come from here. Let me see the next point of conjoinment. it will start from here, another point to here, then from there, from this point up to the end, right? But then they are saying after now at shader, you find that area. Guys, is it clear up to this far before I make a next step? Okay, you will go through the record, then you can't understand everything, but I'm sure you understand. From this point, you now get your A. You intersect with A. So why they intersect with A? This whole thing, this area, from this point here to this point, that is the union. It's intersecting with A at this point. And also at this point.
Tabesha.
Okay, sorry, it's intersecting at this point, right? And at this point. Then from there, another point of conjoinment is here, because the point of conjoinment is here, and also here. So basically what your answer is going to be A intersection, open bracket, B intersection C, sorry, this is B complement. Is going to be a set which is going to come from, you see in this point where we started from. This is where they intersect with A. So 1, comma. The next point that of attachment was at this point. You get these two. Union. The next point of attachment, it was attaching here, so you get these 3. Comma. The next point is this last point, which is at 4, so you get the 4. And you find your final answer. I'm going to give you the last one as work.
If you were able to get a group.
If you are pena number.
Batawa bantu batawa.
So now, I'm going to give you the last question as work. Now listen, let me give you the last question as work. For the last question, you're going to do it yourself. But this time you're going to do it. For the last question, let me give you a hint. The last question you have x minus a union a minus b. So to solve it, you use the same concept. X minus a is the same as x intersection a complement. Then a minus b is the same as a intersection b complement. So this is just the same as x intersection a complement. Sorry. Union a intersection b complement. Now plot this on the real line. It's actually the simplest. And you solve this question. Okay, no problem. I will. So basically, this is just, someone is asking what is x? X is the universal, mama. Oh, Daddy Patrick.